to myself for hours, yeah, say things you don't understand. Would know what to wita. Uray paano imadayo ka, imanaw ka, at di nagpakada. Magunas man dahil to'y
Ayan. Okay, so once again, good afternoon. Welcome to the Non-Teaching Personal Organization Christmas Party 2024. Ayan, so start na natin ang ating program para makadami tayo ng mga iuuwing mga prizes. Okay, then later on, magkakaroon pa tayo ng fashion show kasi we will be having two best in Hawaiian costume, okay, sa lalaki at sa babae. Ayan, so nakikita natin yung mga iba nag-effort, yung iba, yun lang. Okay, so sino ba yung magiging judges natin later on?
Organization, I want to welcome you all to our very special Christmas celebration. This season is a time of love and togetherness, and we are so grateful to have each of you here as we come together to share in the spirit of Christmas. As we enjoy today's simple program, let us remember the true meaning of season is spreading kindness, hope, and goodwill to all. We hope you have a wonderful time as we celebrate this joyful occasion together. Sapay kuma, tamariknayo iti ayat mi kada kayo, nga membro iti daytoy na isang sangayan nga aldaw. Uray kada kayo nga JO, ibilbilang da kayo akas pamilya iti daytoy nga organisasyon. Merry Christmas to you and to your loved ones. Let's get this party started.
Yay!
Sa may pang music, ano? Charot lang. Ayan, so
Sa